everyone. Welcome to Excellence Language Learning Hub. My name is Tadriana and today we will be proceeding from the wrongly pronounced words that we last did in our last videos. There is part 1, 2, 3 until part 4, which is we're going to be doing today. So if you haven't already, please check out the last videos and write the notes of what I did and how much we've done and completed so that you're all caught up. And I think we'll proceed from 26 today. So let's get started, but before we do not forget to like, subscribe and comment and click on the little bell notification for further notifications in the future. So let's get started. 26. Okay, from last video we've learned that scissors. I'm gonna write the original spelling and the word here, and on this side I will be writing about how the pronunciation spelling can be written. So scissors, common mistake that everyone makes on a daily basis would be scissor or scissor, but honestly in reality it should be pronounced or spelled as scissors, scissors, not scissors or scissors. It's not how it's pronounced. Scissors is the main pronunciation on how you spell this and how you pronounce the spelling itself. Let's proceed to 27. Okay, so last week I think one of my students said phenomena. So the main pronunciation would be phenomena, phi. There's no p pronunciation in this, there's phi, fi. So I'll write the spelling of the pronunciation. Phenomena. Phenomenon. Nom hobe eta, there is an M. Phenomenon. Okay, if you think it's really hard, make sure to read these little ones so that when you read them and you the thing gets into your brain and then you can say it all together, it's gonna help you for phenomenon. Let's proceed to 28. Please do not forget to write down the words that I'm already writing down on the board so that you know what you're learning and you have a small note of what and how to pronounce things. It's for your own good. Let's move to 28. Okay, anomaly. This word in particular is used in mathematics most of the time. Like we hear or we see, there is an anomalous mistake on this math question. If you are 8 to O levels or A level student, you will know what this word is. So most of you students pronounce it anomaly. So it would be anomaly. Anomaly. Please do not make it hard for yourself. It is just as simple as it looks like. Anomaly is not the correct one. Anomaly is correct. Well, but then again, I told you in the alphabets that we shouldn't say A as not A, which is the A is wrong. But here in this case, we say anomaly, not anomaly. Here's a little tips and tricks because honestly none of us don't know how English work, and there are a few words that are not pronounced the same way the alphabets are pronounced, so keep your heads up for that. Rattled. This word is used in books, storybooks, or when you're in an office. When you're in an office mostly, and like you're in a meeting or not, we use this formal words. Rattle stands for nervousness. For example, she made me feel rattled when by asking me about my personal information. Rattled means nervous or not comfortable with something. So that's how the pronunciation would be. Rattled, rattled. This is how you pronounce it. Please, if you think that the pronunciation or the main spelling is incorrect, please do not forget to let me know in the comments so that I can fix it in the next video, and we can learn together from the very beginning. Let's move on to 30. Reckon. Okay, this word is also used in very formal places, and this word means I reckon or you remembered. It's about remembering something. For example, I reckon I saw you in last week's grocery shopping. It's something like that. It's like remembering something. Please use these words in a formal place or at school or your assignments. So I'll write the spelling for you. Reckon. Reckon. We all know reck means breaking something, so reckon. If you already have written all these 5 words in your book or notes, so please proceed to the video, and if you haven't already, pause the video, write it down. It's for your own good. So let's move on to 31. Liaise. So this word means to work together. Liaise. This means to work together. It's usually used in office basis word. It's very simple, and honestly these words I'm always teaching you because you can use it in a formal place, because lots of us are looking for a job and we're in a school, we're doing assignments, and we need these words for our own safety. Well, some people might get offended because you're not as formal. So let's write the spelling. Okay, liaise. Please don't say lias or lias. It's not how it works. Liaise. It's just simple and you can easily say it. So as Bengalis, we are very used to this word, but we say salad. That is not the correct pronunciation. It's salad. Okay, I'll write the spelling for you here. Salad. This word came from, I think, from British people. It is not made out of Bengali people. So please do not make this mistake. It's salad, it's not salad. And let's move on to 33. Okay, this word is also known by the Bengalis as shorbut. So I wouldn't say our pronunciation is wrong, because we are the people who made this word, shorbut, and the Americans or the British people took it and they turned it into sherbet or sherbet. So I would suggest you pronounce it as shorbut, and because that's the correct word. We are the ones who made that word. So let's proceed. I'm not gonna write any pronunciation for this because we already know. This is the spelling, sure, but the pronunciation would be would be this. This is the accurate one because this word was made from Bangladesh. 34. Enthusiastic. Okay, when I say enthusiastic, a lot of us pronounce it as enthusiastic. There's no in. There is literally no in enthusiastic, so just pronounce it as it is. Just pronounce it as it is. Enthusiastic. There's no enthusiastic. There's no I. Okay, let's proceed to 35. Foreign for foreigners, and we usually use these words on a daily basis, every day. So foreign the spelling is F-O-R-E-N, foreign. That's how you pronounce it, foreign. There's no I-G-N in the spelling, so foreign. We say foreigners, there's no rainers, it's foreigners. Okay, for today, I think we're done with 10 words with how wrongly we pronounce them, and here we're gonna fix that. So if you've already written these 5 words, please do let me know, and if you made any correction, also let me know about that. So write it down, and if I helped you in any way, I'm so glad. And yeah, I think that's the end of the video for today. So everybody stay safe and take care. Do not forget to check our part 3, and we're gonna have a part 5 in the next video, so click on that. There's the video link is given in the description below or around here somewhere. So everybody take care and goodbye. Stay safe.